If you send weekly reports to clients, you know how much time they waste. In this video, I will show you how I use AI to create clients' reports automatically every time I update a simple Google Sheet. No coding, just Google Sheets, Zapier, and ChatGPT. This workflow is perfect for freelancers, agencies, and small businesses. If you send similar reports every week, this system will save you hours and make your reports look more professional. Here is the idea. You add one simple row into a Google Sheet with your weekly numbers. Zapier picks up that new row, sends the data to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT writes a clear, professional weekly report for your client. Then Zapier creates an email draft in Gmail with that report. You just review it and hit send. Let's start with the data. I have a simple Google Sheet called the client reports. Each row is 1 week for one client. Week, number of leads, new customers, revenue, ad spend, notes, and the client's name and email. Every time I add a new row here, I want an email report to be generated automatically. Now let's build the automation in Zapier step by step. Step 1, the trigger. I create a new Zap and choose Google Sheets as the app. The event is new spreadsheet row, which means the automation will start every time I add a new row to this sheet. Next, I connect my Google account, choose the client report spreadsheet and the client A worksheet. When I test the trigger, Zapier pulls in the last row from the sheet. There are the numbers for our example report. Step 2. We send this row of data to ChatGPT so it can write the report. I add a new action, choose ChatGPT, and use the conversation event. In the instructions field, I tell the model exactly who it is and how to write. I say you are my weekly client reporting assistant. Use the numbers from Google Sheets, write a short summary, add a few bullet points with key metrics, and one suggestion for next week. No tables, no copied input, only a clean, human-sounding report. In the user message field, I pass the actual numbers from the sheet. I add a simple structure, client name, week, leads, new customers, revenue, ad spend, and note. Then I use this plus button to insert the real data from the new spreadsheet row step. Now, every time I add a new row, ChatGPT will see these exact values and write a report specifically for that week. When I test this step, Zapier sends my sample row to ChatGPT, and in a few seconds I get a full weekly report. Summary, bullet points, and a suggestion for next week. Finally, we turn that report into an email draft. I add Gmail as an action and choose Create Draft. For the to field, I use the client's email from the sheet. For the subject line, I combine weekly report, the client name, and the week. And for the body, I insert the tags that came back from ChatGPT. When I test this step, Zapier creates a draft email in my Gmail account. Here it is, a complete weekly report ready to send to the client. I just read it quickly, maybe adjust one sentence and hit send. So now every time I add one row of numbers to my Google Sheet, a complete weekly client report appears as a draft in my inbox automatically. If you want more real AI workflows like this, subscribe to a AI Workflow Lab to my channel. In the next video, I will show how to connect this kind of report to multiple clients at once.